How to find the iOS or iPadOS wireless network password. You can use the iCloud Keychain Sync feature to find the wireless network password on an iOS or iPadOS device. Note: a Mac is required to find the iOS/iPadOS wireless network password. If you do not have access to a Mac, contact your network owner or internet service provider for support. On your mobile device, open Settings. Tap the account, open iCloud, and then tap Keychain. Tap iCloud Keychain to turn it on. Go back to the main settings screen. Tap Cellular, and then tap Personal Hotspot. Tap Personal Hotspot or Allow Others to Join to turn it on. The Wi-Fi password will appear below Allow Others to Join. Write down the hotspot password or change it to something that's easier to remember. On your Mac, open the Wi-Fi network menu and connect to your mobile device's personal hotspot. Tap Go. Click Utilities, and then double-click Keychain Access. Select Passwords. Double-click the name of the wireless network from your mobile device. Select the Show Password checkbox. If prompted, enter the administrator password and then click OK. The wireless network password is now displayed. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.